fruit toast. We've been eating the toaster, some bamboo tongs to get it out, and some butter and a knife. First, you need to get your toast off the plate and put it in the toaster. And you have to put it on two, and then you put it down.
Look at the toast, see if it's ready.
Still cooking.
Once you get the tongs ready. Are you ready?
No, stop it and then record again.
That's okay. We can edit it out later. Look in the toaster. Get ready for it to pop up, Sarah. Look at the toast to see if it's ready. Say something.
Now the toast is cooked. I'm going to get it out with the tongs. Now I'm going to get the butter. This butter is melting a bit. Now it's ready to eat. It didn't do the magic spoon.
You gonna say bye for now or something?
Bye.